My people, Oloris are very much in fear right now. You know what is happening right now? When I mean fear, they are very, very afraid of what Paropa have said. Hey, this time around, Paropa is not smiling at all. Oh. Paropa no dey laugh at all. This one have, in short, with all this thing happening right now in the palace of Ile-Ife kingdom, Paropa is very, very angry. Like when a man is angry, you see the anger on his face. Like he's very, very angry, and he have come out to say that if his son wouldn't do it, that he must do it for him, that him and his son is one. Yes, because he's the one that bettered his son. Yes, according to what we are hearing allegedly, that Paropa have come out publicly to announce that the Oloris are going to be divorced by Kabiyesi. That Kabiyesi is going to divorce all of them. All of them. That because all of them saying in the palace they are causing more harm than good for Queen Naomi to come back. That there is no how you will see a scorpion biting you, as in you see snake biting you, you will see honey that God have given you to put in your mouth, and you will enjoy, and you after enjoying you will sleep and have rest. You will say honey go, scorpion come in, snake come in, bees come in, all of them will just come in, and you will stay with all these harmful insect abi animals. The main dove that God have given to you, you send her away. That no, that he's not going to stay and watch this happen again. This is what we heard that the man said though. The man said no. That if this thing happen again in his face, that means he's not, that they should know that he's not Paropa again, that the thing is becoming too much. I don't know when he started saying this thing. When after hearing that Olori to TikTok brought in a man into the palace of Ile-Ife kingdom again this time around. They used to, you know that Paropa called her. Paropa called her the other time and advised her, telling her that why would you go to a hostel with a man while you are in a marriage? And she was complaining then that Kabiyesi doesn't touch them. Kabiyesi, are they sick? Why wouldn't they go to meet a man? This and that and this. That all of this thing that is happening right now is not good for them. That they are not happy about it. That why would Kabiyesi treat them the way Kabiyesi is treating them right now? That if all this thing is not good, and Paropa, you're not saying anything. This same Paropa is saying that it's not saying anything. The same Paropa that have called all of them, asked and pleaded with them to behave well. That Kabiyesi is not a bad person. Kabiyesi is a good man. But why it seems like Kabiyesi is not, they are seeing Kabiyesi as if Kabiyesi is not treating them well, is because of their bad characters. Yes, their bad character. Let me tell you, if you are a man and you see your wife, or even hear that your wife went out to meet with another man, what do you expect? You know say wetin you go have in mind is be say you don sleep with am. Na the thing wey you go have in mind. And as you have it in mind, your mind will not be at rest until you do one or two things that you want to do to that man, to that your wife. You might even, if it is those that beat their wife, they might even beat her. Even after beating her, anytime you will have issue with her, you will use that same thing to tell her, is that not how you went to this man? This man did slept with you, the other person slept with you. As if it will not be a weapon to fight that person. Some people don't even bear it. Some people cannot even bear it, and this kind of thing is the thing that buy men before their time. So if any woman is going out there to meet with another man, that woman doesn't love her husband. It simply means that he doesn't love your husband. He does not love your husband at all at all. So when Paropa heard that this woman that was just welcome back a week ago, is it not yesterday being Sunday is the day that just make it 1 week she was welcome back to the palace. She don't go carry her boyfriend. Even her boyfriend that was blaming Kabiyesi for welcoming her and the babies back to the palace. That means to tell you that they have been visiting her. The boyfriend have been visiting her in that Ikoyi mansion. Yes, they have been visiting her in that Ikoyi mansion, so they don't want her to come back to the palace. Although the man was saying on the other angle that why he wanted Kabiyesi to check if um TikTok is if Kabiyesi is the real father to those twins, so that he himself will know whether he is the father to these children. Because if he is the father to those children, he will come claiming the children. You see? But right now, what we are hearing is that Kabiyesi's father said that, Kabiyesi, you must divorce these people. You must. And Kabiyesi's father have come to announce it to them. That Kabiyesi is divorcing all of you. You are not worthy of being my son's wife. You are not worthy at all. Today we hear this one, tomorrow we hear another one. Is that what we are going to continue to be doing in this palace? Okay, as TikTok don't bring in man today, tomorrow now we go hear say Igwe don't go bring her own. For Ashley, even Ashley, that we thought that Ashley is a core traditionalist. You know that one thing about traditional people is that they don't do bad thing. But the way these people that say that they are now doing traditional people are now abusing tradition, is even making tradition to feel as if tradition is bad thing. Tradition is observing what is right, doing it. But some people now use idolatry, idol worshipping, as if it is part of tradition. Guys, let me tell you, if you don't know, if you say that you are practicing tradition, but you are sleeping with another woman, another man's wife, you are not practicing tradition. You are idolatry. It's an idolatry that you are practicing. Yes. If you say that you are a traditionalist, and you snatch people's thing by force, that one na stealing, na confirmed thief wey you be. So just check yourself. If you say that you are practicing traditionalist, you are a traditionalist, you are practicing tradition, and you are doing all manner of evil. You go to sleep with another man's wife, you go to sleep with another woman's husband. Tomorrow you tell me that you are a traditionalist. Check yourself very well. Just check yourself. Because me, I know they like all this nonsense. So according to what I heard, Paropa is very much angry with all these Oloris, saying that they are beating more than they can chew. Every day you go hear another one, tomorrow you go hear another one. That he is tired of hearing all of this nonsense. That this nonsense must stop. It must stop. If they don't want to stay in the palace again, that they must live by fire by force. Since they are, in short, it's not if they want to, that they are leaving immediately. They are leaving. Let them leave so that Kabiyesi will have peace. And somebody have said it before that there will be no peace in the palace unless these women leave, unless Kabiyesi divorces all of them. And that is what Paropa have come now, so that Kabiyesi will do it. If Kabiyesi no gree, Paropa go gree for am. But you know that it's not going to be easy like that. Paropa, the way he dey for his mind, he will be like, Kabiyesi, divorce all of them, let them go. But Kabiyesi, are you gonna do that? Anyway, guys, don't forget that all of these are alleged. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you and God bless you. I'm gonna bring you more gist. Love you guys. Bye.